Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Ricky Baby Travel Vlog and Culinary. Today we are taking a complete tour of the beautiful Hyatt place, Pasadena, located in the heart of Pasadena, California. This modern hotel is just a steps away from the old Pasadena, where great shopping, amazing restaurant, and popular attraction. In this video, I'll show you the hotel facade, the entrance, the lobby, the guest room, the swimming pool, and the buffet, and the nearby shopping and the dining option. So sit back and relax, and let's explore the Hyatt Pasadena together. So this is the lobby of the Hyatt in Pasadena, where you can see all the beautiful decor, the uh, wide, uh, very cozy place, lobby. And as we can see, we go to the room and we walk through this hallway. And as we go inside my room, this is how it looks. It's a pretty standard uh, bathroom, which is it goes with single vanity. There's a shower, a sliding door, and of course there's a standard towels that include part of these amenities. And this room is a king size bed, and they give us a free upgrade with a balcony. So this is a king size bed and with a beautiful city view, as you can see. And on this hotel, on this room, there's a deposit, safety deposit. There's also a 45 or 48 inches TV, and it comes also with the iron. And as you can see here, we have a balcony. So this balcony, and it go to city view. It's quiet because we came over here around Sunday afternoon on the weekend. We just have our weekend getaway, so we spend time relaxing here in Pasadena, California. So this beautiful suite, it comes with sofa bed, and we have overlooking the swimming pool. The swimming pool is a heated pool, 85 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's very quiet and there's nobody swimming. And we will go see a walkthrough to the swimming pool also after we have this our room tour. This spacious room is very relaxing. It comes with the mini fridge, the coffee maker, and right there, it's kind of dark. There's a mini fridge inside, and the three drawer for your clothes. We don't put any because we are just here for overnight. And there's an ironing board, and like I said, there's a safety deposit that you can put your jewelry or any expensive items you have, or a device. So as we go back to the lobby, uh, like it's very cozy, it's very relaxing, people are quiet, and there's a beautiful decor that you can see here. Also, on the right hand side, there's the buffet, breakfast buffet, that it's part of the amenities on this hotel. So there's a baby crying, that's RBJ. So as we continue walk down to going to the buffet, I just passing through because we just finished our breakfast this morning. I'll show you guys. There's fresh orange juice, milk, non-fat, zero fat. There's lot of cereals. There's a fresh fruits that include the apples, and also there's a hot food that comes with part of the amenities. There's a pancake maker and the banana, orange juice, and an apple. Of course, there's also berries that you can choose, and eggs, and of course sausage. It's pretty standard, a regular complimentary breakfast here in Hyatt place in Pasadena. The good thing here is so quiet. This is a business area kind of hotel. So most people here spend their time doing business. As you can see, people are busy doing their own thing. So, like I said, we visit the swimming pool, and it's around 9, I think it's 10 a.m. in the morning. And you can use your key card to go in into the swimming pool. There's a towel that it's already reserved here. So all you have to do is just go to the swimming pool and get a towel right here. There's a lounge chair that you can lie down and relax. So you don't have to bring towel from your room. So again, the water or the swimming pool is 85 degrees, and it's very relaxing. And if you do swimming, it's gonna be very refreshing. So let's go outside. So if you go straight from the entrance, go to the west side, where you can see, or you can go through the shopping area. Also, I don't want to forget that there's a happy hour 4 to 6 p.m. also with a 20% discount if you are a member. Hyatt member. Okay, so we going down to the downtown area. I'll show you guys. So there's a cold shopping area they call the Paseo, where a lot of activities happening here. There's a show. There's a lot of restaurant nearby. There's a shopping. There is also Bath and Body Works that you can shop. You can buy some toiletries that you can use before you go home if you decided to go shopping. And this is the place, the a walkthrough going to the shopping area. And if you go to the downtown or to the old Pasadena, it takes you 10 minutes drive. So it's easy because by the way, the parking here is $32 in and out, or overnight parking. If you're a member, and if you're a globalist member, so you have a free parking. So let's go for a walk. And like I said, it's Sunday afternoon. It's so quiet and it's more relaxing. So I walk through all this, and there's less people because it's a weekend. It's a Sunday afternoon. There's a lot of happenings in the other side, where there's a yard house that you can watch a playoff game or sports game that you like. There's a lot of things that happenings here. So like I said, you can shop here and Bath and Body Works if you decided. So good for if you need personal hygiene, take a shower, buy a shampoo, soap, and whatever you want to do. It's a good that you just around the corner of the hotel. And if you need more refreshment, there's also a Starbucks here by the corner. So it's very convenient to shop around on this area. And it's just a walking distance from the hotel. So I like it. It's kind of relaxing in the Sunday afternoon. As we continue walk down to the street, and see there's also a metro bus also, and there's an e-bike you can use. Um, it's very convenient. It's very accessible uh, kind of place you want to stay. So there's a movie theater, a Regal, and if we go the other side, we can see there's also an apartment building here, or a condominium, I should say, that you can inquire if you want to rent. So again, this is the Pasadena down. It's 10 minutes away from the old Pasadena. So if you plan to stay to watch the Rose Parade, so it's I recommend this place because it's all uh, closer to shopping mall, closer to restaurant, and I love it. So it's safe, it's quiet, and if you just want to spend your time over the weekend, I highly recommend this. So this is the like a little plaza. There's a panini restaurant. It's a kebab, and and the other side there's also a ice cream house. So people are relaxing right here. So so the boba, boba. If you want some refreshment to cool down the heat if during summertime. So the building you can see, I believe this is the condominium, and there's a little plaza here you can relax. And to the left side, that's the way going back to the hotel. So it's a walking distance. So there's a lot of activity here, and that stairway going up is where you can watch movie in the Regal theater. Again, this is the beautiful Pasadena, and there's a H&M shopping mall. And if you love shopping, then and it's kind of not a really big shopping mall, but if you need something just for your daily needs, for it to cover your toiletries, everything, it's a walking distance from the hotel. So we are on the way back to the hotel. And also don't worry also about charging station. If you have a Tesla, there's a nearby charging station that you can charge your Tesla or your electric car. So my suggestion or my reading also on this, since it's closer to the restaurant and the shopping area, I give this category 4, which is the same as the hotel. It's category 4, a 4.5 star, because it's clean, it's relaxing, and the staff is very friendly and very helpful. Again, thank you for watching. This is my channel, Ricky Baby Travel Vlog and Culinary. So it's combined of my travel experience and the place that I ate. So I keep posting. If you like the video, you can subscribe and comment. And again, thank you for watching on my channel. So go back to the video, and as you can see here, we are approaching to the west side entrance of the Hyatt place in Pasadena. So all I can say is if you stay in Pasadena, you can stay here in Hyatt. Disclaimer, I was not paid or this is not a promotion for Hyatt. I just stay in Hyatt. I'm just a member in Hyatt uh, hotel brand. So again, thank you so much and keep watching and watch for the next video. I'm gonna put more video on the place I stay. So good afternoon and have a good weekend, everyone.